Okay, we're working here. Just right window to open up. This is a home for Eric. Well, Eric is a friend of mine, and he's building his family a home in Guatemala, and I'm helping him with it. And it's funny because every time I do a project that's outside of the United States, I learn something new, and that's why I like doing them. And one thing they do is they don't get uptight about property lines, apparently, because he's already got a guy building this wall and this sort of fence wall to border the hacienda. This is Erick's hacienda. So anyway, he's already kind of started, and I'm trying to help him fast track it. So I thought I would make this. Oh, he wanted me to make a video to show him the inside. His wife wanted to see the inside, and that figures. Hold on. Sorry about that. Now I gotta get comfortable again. Am I in frame? I had to turn off the air because it gets loud and people were complaining the last time. So anyway, sorry that put a cramp in my style. But anyway, so I thought I would do this, and this is for you, Eric. And the way they build their houses down there in a lot of countries that are sort of equatorial near the equator is they'll build these concrete columns at the corners, and then periodically, where are they? I thought I had drawn them. Let's see if I can find them right quick. I bet did I delete them? No, I didn't. Oh, it's probably in the wall. Here we go. There we go. See these concrete columns, and then they'll fill those in with a concrete block. But these will go all the way from the footings all the way up, and they'll have, rebar vertically, a cage there with hoops and everything. And so what I did was I laid those out first. You can see here, a lot of the design's kind of based around them, their spacing. And I just wanted to show Eric that because, if he's already got these made or built, because they'll build these things, really tall, and then they'll build up, in between them. They also put like a bond beam. I think they put a bond beam around under the windows on the first floor and the second floor, and then on the top to reinforce laterally. So let's turn those off. But that's something we want to think about, Eric, is how those columns are laid out in the home. So then they'll have these basically flat roofs, but they'll build them up. However they do that, they slope them. But they're concrete. Everything is concrete and masonry. But let's turn off the roof. I was working on. Let's turn off the roof. I meant to just minimize that. Or here we go. I was working on this second floor because I actually forgot to turn off my fancy shadows. I forgot to do the walls, and I realized that's not going to help much. So let me turn on my floor plan. And I was putting in the doors, and I thought while I was doing that, I would just turn on the pooter. And oops, I got to edit the walls. And this is a little bit it's not confusing, but it's different because every time I do a project that's outside the United States, they use that crazy metric system. And I guess feet and inches is too complicated, but I'm just kidding. That's always an inside joke with me and the guys. And that didn't go away. So that little booger right there has got to go. But anyway, so I have to, so that I can do things efficiently, I will draw it in, well, here's the thing. I say that, but a lot of they go back and forth, because when I was talking to the guy who was building this thing, fast tracking it on the, I was talking to him on the phone. Well, Erick was helping me talk to him, and some things they do are in feet and inches. Like I said, well, how wide are these walls, and he was like, oh, it's 8 inches. And then I was like, well, how long is the building? Oh, it's 12 meters. And I was like, okay. And I think the reason they do that is because some of the materials are, some of the dimensions are the same. In other words, or they are the same material. So if they're using concrete block, maybe they have suppliers in the United States or something, or tooling that's the same. In any event, some of the dimensions, like I asked him how thick these interior walls were going to be, and he said 6 inches, and I was like, okay, I can dig that. I love inches. I love me some inches. So anyway, for Erick's wife, let's see if I have any comments. This video is really for Erick. So I do this sometimes. I'll just go live because I know I'm being lazy. It's I don't have to edit a video this way, so sorry. But this is what we're looking at here. Let's turn off. Let's turn off the walls for a second, and then you can just see the floor plan. This is the second, and this is what I do. I'm still kind of old school. I still have a 2D floor plan because when you start to do your construction documents, we still use those. No matter how fancy the AI gets, we still use 2-dimensional floor plans. So it's just easier to communicate. It's easy to print. It's just quick, easy, just a good tool. And so you can see here I changed the wall thicknesses, and I haven't, I need to fix that because the tub, I'll have to ask him the thickness. I think they use the 8-inch block, which is 7 5/8 on the exterior, and then they use a narrower block for the interior. But what you have is, you come up the stairs, and this is the hallway, and then you have a bedroom here with a closet, a bedroom here with a closet, and a bathroom, and then this is the master bedroom with the master bath. This all hasn't been worked out perfectly, but this layout may change here. But the main thing is we have to do is stick to our window layout and door layouts because we got these concrete columns in there. That's mainly what I was wanting to show. So if we turn the walls back on, and you can see that's basically how I'll put it in kind of a position and leave it there for a second so you can get an idea. You can also pause the video, but I'll just pan around. So this is the second floor. So now let's turn off the walls, and we'll go to the first floor. Turn this on perspective. And the first floor is just a big open area for living and dining, and then the kitchen. and then a mud room with utility, bathroom, and the stairs going up. I had the stairs drawn, yeah, and I just drew them sort of in a schematic way, just so I could get the. Let's turn the walls back on. Let's go back here. Okay, good. I thought I actually had lost my walls. But let's do this. Another way to do this is to leave the walls up. I can do like a section and cut through, pull it down this way, and I'll go right above the, yeah. And so this is how you can turn the shadows off, and then turn the view section planes, so you can kind of see three-dimensionally how the stair works. Goes up here, goes up, and then underneath the stair we'll have a nice closet, nice storage area like that. And here's the bathroom. I don't have the fixtures in. Usually I wait to do all that detail. One thing I just noticed is this window needs to be the same height as the kitchen window because there's a washer and dryer in here, so I'll fix that. Well, that's a cool effect where the section's cutting through the clay tiles. So this window needs to go over here too. This window type, and this window needs to go away, and then this comes up. There, yeah, that way. That way the washer and dryer, won't be covering up too much of the window. There's that. So that gives you an idea. I'll just kind of put this in a view and pause for a second so you can see. I thought what would be neat here is, if we go back to the front elevation, is on this, they wanted a trellis type thing here, and I thought it would be kind of neat to have like a patio. Dang shadows. Right here at the end where this door comes out, that would be a nice little patio. Or you could just let the driveway come on back, however you want to do that. And you might want to, I don't know if you want a gate back here somewhere. Let me know that. No comments. So that's that in a nutshell. This is the property line here, going around. And like I said, you can see that they've got the concrete wall, the fence. What is that? Oh, that's my little Artisan north arrow. That's north. Okay, well, I hope that helps. What I'm going to do, Eric, is I'll upload this to the 3D warehouse, and then I'll show you. I'll send you the name of it, and I'll show you how to search for it, so you can open it up in the free version of SketchUp. Let me show you that right quick. Let's see. Let's see, free, let's see, web, I forget, I haven't used it in a long time, SketchUp. That's funny, I noticed in my searches there, I saw, I was researching fishing lures because I'm trying to get Katie of the Presley Girls. She does the rock work where she makes jewelry out of rocks, and I was trying to get her to make me a fishing lure, a crankbait. This is not the right thing. Explore, here we go, SketchUp free. So what you'll do, I'll send you this link, Erick. You'll go here and you'll click on this start modeling. And this is the free, online free version. You click on start modeling again, and then you'll go over here to this, what is it? Where is the warehouse? Here it is. They changed the symbol, the 3D warehouse, and then you'll just type in the name I give you right here, and it will come up, and you can pull it into your drawing. If you have any trouble with that, I can help you. So anyway, I hope that is helps. It's a cool house, and I've got this. I was playing with the shadows. This is actually how the shadows will work. If you're in, let's see, if you're in July, or the July, there's July of, that's July at noontime. That's one kind of neat about SketchUp is the shading. You can do solar studies. So then in January at noon, there you go. So anyway, I hope that was helpful, Erick, and just let me know if there's changes. I sent you the floor plan, but this will give you a visual, and he had already seen the lower plan. He just hadn't seen the upper in 3D. So, well, thanks a lot, guys, and let me know, Erick, what you think, and I will see you later.